Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today something different. Today I'm gonna show you how to bone the leg of lamb and butterfly. It's quite easy if you follow what I want to show you. Okay? We need, of course, a nice leg of lamb, beautiful, sharp knife. We need sharp knife. And very carefully because you can cut your finger. Okay? Ask your butcher just to give you the leg just like that with the bone, the hip off. We start. Okay, we trim just little bit. You put it in front of you like this and trim a little bit of a fat. Just carefully, slowly, And that's it, because the fat we need when we going to cook it. Because the fat is flavor. It's buonissimo. Okay, now Zuzi gonna show you here. Very slow, between the vein here and this bone, you do this. Someone start from here. I'll show you one way. Slowly, you see, put your finger in, you see, between, you see, if you put the finger between the vein. And another thing very important when you take off the bone is close to the bone. That is the key. Okay, I show you. Okay, now you see, and close to the bone, you see, here is already this bone. Go all the way to here. Okay? Okay? So always close to the bone, always close to the bone, always close to the bone. Well, I do this million times, but you see, close to the bone. You see? Is the key. You see? Close to the bone. When you do all this side, now we try to do the other. And we move the leg and we start again close to the bone. Close to the bone. You see? Close to the bone. Is the key. And put your finger. You see here? Bone. Close to the bone. Always put your finger. You see? Here. Close. Don't take long. If you follow this way, it's the easy one. You move like that. Always you try to make your finger and your hand safe. Okay? And close to the bone. You hear this noise?
Oh yeah, I hear it.
Bone. You see? It means it's good. Now, you see? Here. Bone. You hear the noise? Very, bone. Okay? You see? When is this part here? You have the already is free here. Just take from là and close to the bone. Close to the bone. You chop.
You chop it off.
And now take like that
Other side off.
and chop the other side. Well done, Enrico. You see? Close to the bone. Always close to the bone. Is the key.
Near the bone.
Near the bone. Thank you, Rick. The bone is off. You see? Easy.
Oh, it's like a butterfly.
You see? But now we can do two things here. Or we season it, stuff like that. But anyway, I'm gonna show you the video to cook it other time. Now it's just to bone it, take off the bone. But you can do seasoning, put stuff inside, anything you like, or something I'm gonna show you in another video. You can roll it in this, like this one. But anyway, we can roll it and put in the oven with some string, or what I want to do is butterfly. Butterfly is we're gonna butterfly it a little bit like that. It's more easy for cook. And from this side, you see, this is, guys, the leg. So you can show them. This is the leg butterfly. In next video, I'm gonna show you how we season it, how we cook it, how we eat it. Okay, it's delicious. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, share with a friend, subscribe on the channel if you can. Check out our website, cookwithanitalian.com. And always, 1 second, we're waiting for Enrico. But anyway, the aspect, the leg of the bone and butterfly is that, if you like,
Finger up and butterflies.
always, ciao.